Ever imagined making money while chilling in your pajamas or globetrotting? You're in the right place. Today, we'll uncover of the simplest ways to earn money online. Forget the 9 to 5 hustle and student loan stress. These methods are so straightforward that you might feel a bit guilty, until you see the cash flow in. Let's dive in. First up, leveraging ChatGPT for proofreading. Hold on before you dismiss this idea. The best part is, you don't need to do the proofreading yourself. That's right. By using a free AI tool like ChatGPT, you can automate the entire process. Sign up on a freelancing site like guru.com, offer your proofreading services, and let ChatGPT handle the work. People are making between queens and sem per hour doing this. Imagine lounging on your couch, binge-watching your favorite shows, and letting ChatGPT take care of the tedious tasks. It's a win-win. Next, if you enjoy listening to podcasts or speeches, transcribing with AI tools is a perfect fit for you. Websites like rev.com pay between 30 cents to $1 per minute for transcribing audio. But why do it manually? Sign up, receive audio files, upload them to Redmix, and let the AI transform them into text. Submit the work while you relax with your favorite podcast. It's like getting paid to listen to music, without actually having to listen. Another effortless method is creating faceless YouTube channels. Use AI to generate video scripts, labs for realistic voiceovers, and in-video for visuals. Upload the completed videos to YouTube and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. With consistent uploads, you can earn money even while you sleep. It's like planting a money tree. Do the initial work and watch the earnings grow. If you're into art but not the creation process, selling AI-generated art on wirestock.io is ideal for you. Use AI tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to produce stunning images. Upload these to various stock photo websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. It's like being a renowned artist without the effort. Just sit back, relax, and let the AI create beautiful pieces that generate a steady income. And here's a bonus tip. Why limit yourself to one app when you can use several? Apps like SMS Cashback, Honeygain, and WeCash pay you for doing almost nothing. Use these apps on multiple devices for a decent monthly passive income. It's like having multiple income streams flowing into your bank account. So, leverage AI tools, automate as much as possible, and enjoy your newfound freedom. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our previous videos. Let's reach the top together.